Hey there, Excel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we make your Excel experience smoother and more fun. If you're like me and spend hours staring at spreadsheets, you know how important it is to take care of your eyes. So today, we're going to dive into how to enable dark mode in Excel. Let's give your eyes a break, shall we? Step 1, open Excel. Easy, right? Once you're in, head over to the top menu and click on File. Next, scroll down and click on Options. Here you'll see an option for Office Theme. Click on the drop-down menu right next to it. You'll see a few options like colorful, dark gray and black. To enable dark mode, select black. And just like that, your Excel is now in dark mode. Look how sleek it looks. Your eyes will definitely thank you. If you ever want to switch back to the regular mode, just follow the same steps and choose a different theme. It's all about what works best for you. So there you have it, folks. Enabling dark mode in Excel is quick, easy, and a great way to reduce eye strain. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. And if you have any questions or video requests, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy excelling.